Today I'm gonna share with you the 5 top most important tools in the ethical hacking world. Ethical hacking is also called pen testing. Hacking is the process of gaining access a computer system with the intention of fraud, data stealing, and privacy invasion, etc., etc., by identifying its weakness. It is also one of the best methods to augment a skilled security professional of an organization. Making ethical hacking part of security effort of an organization can provide to be really helpful. So why ethical hacking tool? Hacking tools are programs that generally crack or break computers and networking security measure. Hacking tools have different capabilities depending on the system they have been designed to present. So number one is Nmap tool. Nmap is used for port scanning. One of the first phase in ethical hack is the finest hacking tools ever. Primarily common command line tool. It was then developed or operating system based on Linux or Unix, and the Windows version of the Nmap is now available. Nmap is basically networking security mapper capable of discovering services and hosts on the network by creating network map. If you are in the Cali, you can run Nmap 192.168.35.137. Once you run this command, you can get a lot of information from that host. If you are new to Nmap, please check my previous video. I have explained a lot of commands on that video. Don't forget to check my video. If you see right here, you will see this port open and close port. So this is how Nmap works really great. Number two is Nessus tool. Nessus tool is really great features for ethical hacker. So the Nessus is the old most well-known vulnerability scanner which was designed by Tenable Network Security. It's free and safely recommended for non-enterprise uses. This is network vulnerability scanner efficiently find critical bug on any given system. So there are different products on the Nessus. If you go to Nessus tool portal, so there are a lot of things you can see right here. You can sign up for up to 16. This is the free of them. You can scan up to 16 IP address, so you can download from here. If you want to get a professional version, you have to buy for it. So there's a lot of features and great features on the Nessus tool. If you like to try and give a try, you can go with the Nessus Essential first. After that, you can upgrade to professional or whatever you want to. With that, number 3 is Metasploit. Metasploit is a framework in open source, and Metasploit Pro is commercial offering within 14 days trial. Metasploit is the graded towards the pen testing. An ethical hacker can develop and execute exploit code against remote target. So there are a lot of things you can do on Metasploit. So for that, you have to run MSF console. So once you load the Metasploit, you can do search of a lot of vulnerability right here. You can go with all of them. For if you want to search for it, you can go to search ? and then hit enter. It will give you all the possibility of your exploitation and all those things, and then you can go and research on it. Number 4 is Burp Suite. This is the security testing tools. Comes with 3 different prices. It's the community version, professional version, and enterprise version. Burp Suite distinguishes itself as a web vulnerability scanner, and then is the most popular tool for the ethical hackers. For if you want to launch that Burp Suite, you have to go on application and type Burp Suite, and once you open it, you can click on temporary project, click on next. I am using the community version right here, if you see right here. So click on startup. So you can try from here. You can use all the target, proxy, whatever you want to. If you want to really like the Burp Suite, you can go on the Burp Suite portal and you can try all these product right here. So if you go the production, Burp Suite enterprises, professional, community, so I'm using community version right here. So if you like, you can go with all the enterprises and the personal one. Number 5 is Hashcat or John the Ripper. Password cracking is the biggest part of ethical hacking. Hashcat and John the Ripper, a robust cracking tool. It can help ethical hacker audit password security, retrieve lost password, and discover the data stored in the hash format. These two are the most popular password crackers all the time. It also one of the best security tools available to test or auditing one remotely. These password crackers are able to auto detect the types of encryption used in almost any password and will change the password test algorithm accordingly. If you want to use Hashcat, you have to type Hashcat. So this is the A as an algorithm and the medium text and whatever the password you want to crack it. If you go to Hashcat portal, on this you can see right here, so how you can use all this algorithm right here. So you can take a look. If you like to use it, you want to try it, go ahead and try it. So all this thing you can download from here. I'll put all these in my description below so you can check from there. With that, I will go with John Ripper. So if you go to John Ripper, you have to type John -- help. So it will give you all the possibility or options you can try from here. So if you see right here, you have to use John options and password file. If you have a password file, you can use that. I already shown you 2 password files from the Hashcat. So this is my path where you can check the word list. I will put this one to the description below so you can check on it. You can download the rockq.txt from the GitHub. I'll also put this in description below so you will able to download it. Also, what you can do, so I'll put the example right here so you can check on this one also. So John the Ripper examples command line, so you can go all over this one, whatever you wants to like and whatever you wants to try it. With that, I will give you one more thing. This is the bonus. Kismet is one of the most popular ethical hacking tool. It works network detection, packet sniffing, and a lot of other things. It works so well to any other wireless card. We support raw monitoring and can sniff 802.11a, 80.11b, 802.11g, and 802.11n traffic. The programs run under the Linux, FreeBSD, NetBSD, OpenBSD, Linux, and Mac OS. So for that, you have to go on the application and type Kismet, and then you have to click here. Automatically runs under this one. So you can use this as the options right here. You can use the version. You can see all of this one. So you can see this one. The version is right here. All right, those are the most 5 best tool for the ethical hacker. So if you want to build up your career in the ethical hacking, I will put this all of the links in my description below, so you will able to access them. Please, if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like my video. And also, one more thing, don't forget to share.